Stick around and I'm going to show you how to make an extra $25 to $50 a day literally sitting on your couch. Hey guys, welcome to StudentRec, the review page from students for students. So as I said, part of the thing I want to do on this channel is teach you guys how to be, financially independent, and aside from that, just earn some side money. You want to go out get some drinks with your boys, you want to go get a coffee in the morning, you want to go out have a nice dinner. You'll be able to do that. So what I got for you guys today is this awesome website called Swagbucks. And I used this for the longest time. It's great, and the reason I love it so much is it has so many different ways to earn. So the majority of the things that I did when I was on the site is I would play like the games. So you'll find that there's certain games on the App Store where you can click it, you get like the bounty or whatever for it, and you get up to a certain level on a game, and once you get to that level, you earn the Swagbucks. And essentially what happens is once you reach a certain level or a certain amount of Swagbucks, you can then cash that out for a Walmart gift card or a Visa gift card. Visa gift card's what I always go with, but money to go out and get food and stuff. So yeah, I just want to run you guys through basically how you use it, so hopefully you guys can go out, get your own, and start earning, because it would be super awesome, super easy to make money. So as you can see, you got your surveys right here. You can see trending offers. What's cool is you can download this thing called a swag button, and if you download the swag button, it will basically track different shopping sites that you go to and let you know if there's a discount. And aside from that, you can also get like cash back whenever you shop if you're using the swag button, which is awesome. So there's that. There's all sorts of different ways that you can earn money daily. Like, they have different things going on. I mean, up here you can see if I earn 30 Swagbucks today, or for every 30 Swagbucks that I earn, I get an extra 3 Swagbucks, which is awesome. And then yeah, I mean, in short, these are the ones that I did. You have your play games, so you'll download these games, and if you reach like a certain level, you get your Swagbucks, which is awesome, because I mean, you're gonna play phone games anyways. So yeah, what I would do is, if I was sitting on the couch and I was bored, or I wasn't interested in the TV show that was on, I would just sit my computer in my lap, start doing a couple surveys, or download a game, or I mean, they even have an option to watch a video, and I would just do that. And yeah, I mean, you have the potential, if you actually sit down and do this, to make upwards of $25-50 a day, because you can cash out at $25 for the Visa gift card. So I mean, get 2 of them in a day, you're kind of balling. So we'll go to answer. So these are all of your basically survey invitations that you get, but what's cool is you get a ton of them. And my personal advice for you guys, take these shorter ones, because these really add up after a while. I mean, check this out, a 20-minute survey, 100 Swagbucks. That's insane. It's ridiculous. So yeah, try to hover around the shorter ones as long as you can. And then you have your shop option. You can get cash back, and a lot of really cool deals. And yeah, you can click this if you want to watch the video. Personally, I wouldn't recommend watching the videos, because it makes you watch a couple before you can get the Swagbucks, and when you do get the Swagbucks, it ends up not being a lot. So yeah, you go over here to redeem, and yeah, it's really awesome. So I would highly recommend you guys go download Swagbucks. I'll leave a link for it down in the description if you guys would like. And awesome. That's all I got for you today. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.